Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the computer aided process synthesis CAPS. Unit number 4, synthesis of heat exchange and networking. In the last point, multiple utilities. यानी कि multiple utility design some problems. Okay, ये start करिए. In the last point, unit number 4, multiple utilities. Thus far, the multiple source, the hot and cold fluid utilities ना बेस पर આવે, यानी कि some processes, some flow diagram, some example ના basis પર આપણે જોઈશું કે જે મલ્ટિપલ યુટિલિટીઝના જે સોર્સિસ છે હોટ અને કોલ્ડ બેસિસના have not been considered. For example, steam is normally available at several pressure, with it cost a function of the pressure and the temperature level basis पर हसे. As discussed in a section 17.1, table 17.1, to reduce the cost of the utilities, okay, as well as the some composition, some work section shows how to construct and use the grand composite curve, જેના એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. Okay, to reduce the temperature, driving force in the auxiliary, some heat exchanger ના બેઝિસ પર હશે. Okay. Simply, multiple utilities. Thus far, the multiple source of hot and cold utilities have not been considered. For example, steam is normally available at a several pressure, with it cost a function of the pressure and the temperature level, as discussed in a section 17.1 basis. Table this is 17.1, to reduce the cost of the utilities, some cost of utilities, as well as loss of work. This section show how to construct and the use of the grand composite curve to reduce the temperature, driving force in the auxiliary heat exchanger. Okay, now the again point જોઈશું આપણે. This one, design heat exchanger networking systems assisted by the grand composite curve. Okay, which one? The design heat exchanger networking assisted by the grand composite curve ના બેઝિસના જે સમ પોઈન્ટ્સ છે તે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. As described in the section 10.2, temperature interval are identified. A result some computed to the estimate the minimum heating and cooling utilities, and to locate the pinch temperatures. For example, in the cascade diagram of figure 10.34, computed for delta T minimum, okay, is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. The cold pinch temperature is 190 degrees Celsius, with the minimum hot and cold utilities છે એના levels being 1000 kilowatt each. The residual emphasize enthalpies leaving each temperature intervals indicate the excess and heating or cooling capacities of the sum cascade above, and including the temperature interval method. This suggests the representation shown in figure 10.35. જે ફિગર જોઈશું આપણે, this one. The grand composite curve for the temperature interval in a figure 10.34, then adjusted temperature degree Celsius ના બેઝિસ પર અને એન્થાલ્પી કિલોવોટના બેઝિસ પર છે. તો QC minimum is equal to 1000 kilowatt અને QH minimum is equal to 1000 kilowatt. Similarly, hot and cold phase માટે આપ્યું છે. is a point ABCDEFGH ના સુધી આપ્યું છે. The adjustment temperature versus the enthalpy for a grand composite curve for a temperature intervals figures, and these temperature intervals જે આપણને સિમ્પલી આપ્યું છે ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન માટેનું. Okay, as described in a section 10.2, temperature intervals are identified the some residuals compound computed to estimate the minimum heating and cooling utilities and to locate this temperature, pinch temperature. For example, in the cascade diagram for of figure 10.34, computed for delta T minimum is equal to 10 degrees Celsius and the cold pinch temperature is a 190 degrees Celsius with the minimum hot and cold utilities. The level being 1000 kilowatt, each the residuals enthalpy is leaving each temperature interval. Some indicate the excess heating or cooling capacities of the cascades above and including the temperature interval. This suggests the representation shown in figure 10.35 refer to the as a grand composite curve in which the enthalpy residuals are displayed as a function of the interval temperature. The enthalpy residuals corresponding to the highest and the lowest interval temperature are the minimum heating and cooling utilities duties. Furthermore, as seen previously, the process is divided into a portion above the pinch indicated by a solid circle in which there is excess heating demand and a portion below the pinch in which there is excess cooling demand. Okay, excess cooling demand ના બેઝિસ પર જોઈશું આપણે. As described this section part. Okay, पर ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ટરવલ જુઓ T0310 એમાં hot minimum 1000 છે and the T1 is equal to 270 degrees Celsius, R1 is equal to 60, R1 is equal to 60 and the T1 is equal to 270 degrees Celsius. For delta H2 is equal to 200 for a second part. Third T2 is equal to 250 degrees Celsius and delta H3 is equal to minus 800, T3 is equal to 190. R3 pinch point क्या है एना 0 થી જેનો આન્સર 0 આવતો હોય બંનેનો જ્યાં 0 આવતો હોય ત્યાં આપણને મળશે 0. હવે કઈ રીતે જો R2 ની વેલ્યુ 800 છે અને 800 છે એટલે 800 પ્લસ માઇનસ 800 એટલે બંને કેન્સલ એટલે 0 આવશે પછી 10 પિંચ પડી જો 0. Now minus 800 plus 700, 0 plus 700 is equal to 700 and 700 minus plus 100 800 અને પ્લસ કરી જો બંનેને 800 આવશે માઇનસ 200 પ્લસ 600 400 આવશે. ઓકે એટલે આ રીતે એને આપણે ટેમ્પરેચરને કાઉન્ટ કરીશું. હવે ટેમ્પરેચરમાં હવે હોટ ફેઝ અને કોલ્ડ ફેઝ માટે કઈ રીતે આવે એ રીતે આપણે સજેસ્ટ કરી શકીએ એને, બરાબર, જે ગ્રાન્ડ કમ્પોઝાઇટ કર્વના બેઝિસ પર આધારિત રાખે. બરાબર, સૌથી મોટું ટેમ્પરેચર જોવાનું અને કોલ્ડ ટેમ્પરેચર જોવાનું. શરૂઆત લાસ્ટથી કરવાની, પછી જે ટેમ્પરેચર આપે છે ડેલ્ટા ટી મિનિમમ એના પ્રમાણે આપણે કરતા જવાનું ગ્રાન્ડ કમ્પોઝાઇટ કર્વ પ્રમાણે. ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ટરવલ, એનર્જી બેલેન્સ એન્ડ રેસિડ્યુલ્સ delta HI, RI, QH minimum and QC minimum in a kilowatt. Okay. Now showing the flow diagram, grand composite curve no interval figures છે જેના ટેમ્પરેચરને રિગાર્ડિંગ આપણે જોયું હતું, એન્થાલ્પી રિગાર્ડિંગ 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000 and 1200. Now the discussion part. In addition to this information, figure 10.35 provide the following insights. The local rise in the enthalpy residuals along the arc in the curve BC, which indicate an increases in the residual heat available, can be used to supply the increased demand, denoted by the decreases in the enthalpy residues along the arc CD. Now, this is the accomplished using internal the heat exchange. Similarly, the heat demand along the arc FG can be supplied by internal heat exchanger. With the arc EF, when 1000 kilowatt are provided at a 330 degrees Celsius, a fired heater is required that burn the fuel after the natively the GCC reported by in this figure 10.36. This one, the grand composite curve for the temperature interval in a figure showing the possibility saving by utilizing HPS and BFW. Okay, first of all the adjustment temperature degree Celsius versus enthalpy kilowatt માં છે. હવે ટેમ્પરેચર જે આપ્યું છે અલગ અલગ તમને બેઝિસ પર આપ્યું છે. ફર્સ્ટ 0 છે, સેકન્ડ છે 600 પર, થર્ડ વન છે 700, દેન 800, 1000. ઓકે, એના બેઝિસ પર છે ઓલમોસ્ટ. હવે કેપેસિટી ઓફ હોટ યુટિલિટીઝ છે તમારી 600 કિલોવોટ. એક્સપેન્સિવ હોટ યુટિલિટીઝ છે Q ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 400 કિલોવોટ. Expensive cold utilities Q is equal to 400 kilowatt. Okay, this is the flow diagram, graphical system, grand composite curve for this temperature. Completed row. Okay, this is a grand composite curve for the temperature interval in a figure. My puche. Now the discussion part continues. Point B. When 1000 kilowatt are provided at a 330 degrees Celsius, a fired heater is required that burn in the fuel. Okay, burn the fuel, and after natively the grand composite curve the plotted in a figure, the 10.36 shows the plant up to the 600 kilowatt can be provided at a 230 degrees Celsius using the less expensive the high pressure steam at a 400 psi. Noting that the alternative utilities temperature level and the duty are limited by the interrupted D, this leaves only 400 kilowatt to be supplied in the fired heater. Similarly, instead of removing 1000 kilowatt at 90 degrees Celsius using cooling water, up to 600 kilowatt can be removed at 170 degrees Celsius by heating boiler, feed water, leading the further saving apart the operating cost as before. The temperature interval leveling, the duty are limited by interrupt significant operating cost for the grand composite curve. Okay. The grand composite curve help to better utilize utilities resources when designing heat exchanger networking system are illustrated in the following example. This is the last point. Okay, this is not a part of this chapter. Okay, so thank you so much.